Hello everyone. So what we're looking at here is the wall that was an unexpected surprise. When we took down the drywall and the framing and etc., we figured out that the basement has not been properly waterproofed and this wall got jeopardized. So fire marshal said we need to take care of it. Makes sense. I put it against the wall. You can see that the dirt from outside is pushing. And the dirt from outside is pushing, especially when it gets rainy and wet. Cars, engines, because right on the other side we've got the parking lot, so we do need to take care of it. So solution, we brought in our structural engineer, Praful Patel, and then picked his brain for various options. So the option we're gonna go with now is to put 2x6s. So basically what we're gonna do is we'll go from the corner of this wall, from this side, and then every foot on center we will be putting 2x6s right against. So that basically 2x6s are going to be pushing against the wall. And we're gonna do a foundation lower on the floor by pressure treated 2x6s, and on top we're gonna put 2 of them. And we are going to enforce the joists by putting the braces with 2x4s, and they're gonna go like across. So basically this is going to distribute the load and support. This way the pressure won't be hitting at one point per se, so it's going to distribute it. And we are going to start it soon, and on the next videos I'm going to show you the progress and how it is going to look like. Also, one more other thing, we are going to fill these holes with a hydraulic cement, and then we're going to dry lock it. So we're going to apply a paint of dry lock, which is a waterproofing paint, on the wall prior to do that. So it's extra caution to make the wall more waterproof, and then we're going to put the joists 2x6s and support it, and that should give us very solid, sturdy wall. From outside as well, we're gonna remove some water so it's not hitting against or not being piled up. There you go. Okay, so what we've done so far is we have scraped off the center blocks loose cement and put the filled it with more cement, and then we have painted it with the dry lock. So far it's only one coat. We're going to add more coats of the dry lock, and this is the problem wall, so we're solving it now. And what we're going to do there is, once it's done, we're gonna create the braces. 2x6s, they'll just go against the wall, and they'll be mounted on top by the joist by 2x4 and 2 2x6s going across, and the green board which goes below. So one more coat of dry lock is gonna go up there on this wall, and after the dry lock we are going to put the braces. They will be flush against the wall because they're gonna push back the wall. So that'll help with the pressure coming from outside dirt and parking lot. Okay, we are now completely done and past our framing. So we have dry lock on the wall, fire extinguisher here. All the finals are passed. As you can see, those are passed. What we end up doing is reducing the pressure. So basically 2x6s against the wall, 2x6 green wood pressure treated on the floor with anchors, and get it like anchored on top. 2 2x6s holding on 2x4s between the joists. So that is pretty much what will get your wall taken care of. The most cost-effective option without costing your arm and a leg.